The Sports Ministry is set to partner with the Ministry of Health and Wellness to provide athletes with psychological help to cope with the mental health issues arising from the fallout in sports caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
I'm imploring the Ministry of Sport in particular to arrange for a team of psychologists to be of service in providing the necessary psychological support needed for those in the sports industry during this pandemic.
That's the sports psychologist Dr. Olivia Rose Esperance speaking to TVJ Sports in April as she requested that assistance be provided for athletes and the support staff to help cope with mental health and emotional issues triggered by the coronavirus. 5 months later, the Sports Minister Olivia Granger says she will be partnering with the Ministry of Health and Wellness to help athletes cope with mental health issues.
The Ministry of Sports itself and our sports division, we're looking at how we can retain the services of a number of persons in the health sector who would help us in working with the athletes.
The Health Ministry is set to implement a COVID-19 mental health response program aimed at mitigating the progression of mental health issues that have or are otherwise anticipated to emerge resulting from COVID-19.
It's a whole new environment, it's a whole new dispensation, and it will take some time for them to overcome the restrictions and the fact that they are not now able to compete. They have trained for so long to compete in the Olympics and other such international competitions, and to see that suddenly all of that is taken away from them, it really has had a psychological impact on a number of our athletes.
Will there also be mental health assistance for student athletes?
Yes, but so we will work along with ISA to see how we can address those concerns as well.
ISA school sports have been suspended for the rest of 2020 due to COVID-19, while the Olympic Games have been postponed until 2021. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.